Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leeny Budgets here, and today we're going to be doing a cash breakdown, second paycheck of June. This is so new on my channel. I don't think I really did a cash breakdown. I probably did it like what, TikTok, those quick type of videos of cash breakdowns, but not a full-blown cash breakdown. Okay, one thing about me, I don't really like doing budget with me's. I really don't, but cash breakdown and cash stuffing, I'm all for it, because budget with me's, I'm very private with how I budget. So yeah, and that's just what I want to do with my budgets. So yeah, I'd rather just enjoy doing the cash envelope stuffing and cash breakdown. I'm all for it. Okay, I don't know why that is with the budget with me's, but it is what it is. You like what you like, you don't like what you don't like. That's it. All right, so if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you are subscribed, welcome back, and continue to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Let's really get into this video. Okay, you guys, so here I'm going to be doing a cash breakdown. Okay, so this is beginner friendly, or whatever friendly you want to name it, and so on and so forth. Hopefully this video is quick and easy for you guys. Okay, and I got this sheet from the Simple Budget. Let me show you guys. I got this off of Etsy, by the way. The Simple Budget, and you just download it and you print it out and you're good to go. Usually I have done loose leaf paper for the longest while, and I said I just want to change things up, so I went with this route. And I love this pamphlet because it actually goes with how I always do it on a loose leaf. For the most part on Etsy, I've seen the one on this side and not the hundreds, and I finally saw something that is like this, and I was like, yeah, this is it for me. I have my calculator right here, got my pen. All right, so let's get into this video. Okay, so for myself, I like to break down my $50. For those who don't know, I usually do $50 for myself. So I'm just gonna write the amount right here. So $50 for myself, but I like to break it down. So usually I would go to the corner store. I live in New York, so there's corner stores everywhere. Whether you want to call it bodega, corner stores, you name it, but I usually call it the corner store. Okay, so giving a complete whole 50, they'll look at you like you're crazy. Okay, because 9 times out of 10 it's like, are you trying to scam me? Are you trying to jip me for my money, my business, and so on and so forth? So I like to break it down. 2 20s, 110. Okay, so 2 20s, 110, and that makes it $50. I hope you guys are following. By the way, I'm actually going to zoom in. Okay, I'm going to zoom in for you. That way you guys are able to see it more clear. Okay, this seems to be much better. Okay, so back to what I was saying. I give $50 to myself, so I give it 2 20s, 110, because I like to break it just like that. Groceries, from my previous video, I did say I'm going to up groceries from $50 to $80, but there's going to be times that I do put 50, but I'm going to rock with 80 right now because inflation is real out there, and prices just keep going up. It is what it is. That's the reality that we're living in now. I can't even get my words out. That's the reality of what we're living in the now. So I'm going to put 150, 120, and 110, which makes it $80. Moving on to beauty. I'm going to give it 50 bucks, and I'm just going to give it 150. Tips, I'm going to give $10, and I'm just going to give it 110. Okay, you guys are following. If you happen to have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. I'll be more than happy to reply to you guys about the cash breakdown. But like I said, this is super easy. Business is going to get $5, so I go right here, 1.5. So if you really think about it, it's like graph. Who has done graph over the years in their younger years of math class? it's the same way. You follow the column. Okay, there's certain things that you don't even use from your younger years in school, but I guess graphing will do in this category. Okay, so medical, I'm going to give $10. I'm just going to give it one $10 bill, and that's what it is. Household, same, $10. My birthday, $10 as well, so $10. Parents is going to get $10 as well, so $10. Baby is going to get $10 and $10 right here, one $10 bill. Vacation, I'm going to give it $25. So 20 right here, as long as you're following the column, 20 and 1.5. Self-care is going to get $5. So I'm going to go to the $5 column, just one $5 bill. Hair, I'm going to give it $10. So $10 right here, one $10 bill. All right, moving on to shopping. Shopping is going to get 10. It's going to be a lot of tens, just so you know. Clothing, same thing, is going to get $10. Night out is going to get, yeah, you guessed it, $10. Okay, fun is going to get $5. So I'm going to go to the $5 column. I don't really do $1 bills. I don't really care for it in the cash stuffing. So it's just what works for me and what I rather. Okay, European wax is going to get $15. So we're going to go and give it 110 and 1.5. Home is going to get $20. So right here, we're going to give it 120. SUV, same thing, $20, and we're going to give it a $20 bill. Car maintenance is going to get a 5, so we're going to go to the 5 column and just 1.5. 15K challenge is going to get $300, so $100 column, we're going to give it 3. Okay, and we're just going to add everything up right here. I'm going to speed this process up, that way you guys can see it, but we're going to get to the how much is going to be right here in this box right here. Okay, you guys, so we have the total, and we're going to be rocking with, for my second paycheck of June, $680. Okay, which is pretty cool. All right, and I'm going to show you guys the rest of the stuff right here, which gets pretty interesting as well. I hope everything is being seen on camera. Okay, so in the $100 column, we have 3 right here. For the 50s, we have 2 50s in the $50 column. So we're going to put 2. In the $20 column, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, okay? In the $10 column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 in the $10 column. In the $5 column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's basically counting the tallies, okay? And for the ones, we don't really care for the ones. It's like, there's no ones here. Okay, so we're going to pretty much make sure that we have this amount, but we're going to put it all together right here. So this is how it goes. So we got 3 times 100 100, basically it's whatever is the column right here. So we got 100, I'm sorry, 100 times 3 equals 300. So we put it right here. Same thing for 50s. We have 52s right here. So 50 times 2 gives us 100. For the 20 column, we have 20 times 6, 120. We have on the 10 column 13 right here. So we got 10 times 13 equals 130. Next up is the $5 column, and of course 5 times 6 equals 30. Okay, so we're going to add everything up to see if it matches the $680. And there you have it. It matches the $680, which is pretty cool. And this again is the second paycheck of June. So be sure to check out the cash stuffing video that's going to be coming up next. And I just wanted to show you guys the cash breakdown. See, it is simple as 1, 2, 3. And yes, you use multiplication and addition during the cash breakdown. Okay, all right, and this is how I'm able to get everything on the map. So everything right here explains everything right here. And this cash breakdown I usually give to the cash tellers whenever I go to the bank and they do their denominations and everything, making sure everything is correct. And this is exactly what you're going to get. You're going to get the $300 in $100 bills in 3. 50s, you're going to get 2 $50 bills. For 20s, you're going to get 6 20s. Exactly what it says here and the amount what it is. Okay, so that's literally how a cash breakdown is, how it flows, how it goes. Okay, so if you enjoyed this amazing video, give it a thumbs and a like. I'll see you guys in the next one. It's like I don't know what to say, you guys, but I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope I explained it super easy and super fun for you guys. And yeah, like I said, it was beginner friendly. And if you enjoy cash breakdowns, then hey, thumbs up, because I love cash breakdowns as well. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video for the cash envelope stuffing. Be sure to check out that video when it comes out, and continue to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, till next time.